Oh, hey, hey, Ethan. Good to see you. What are you up to? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Okay, so I am going to work on this picture here. This is my reference. I need to do a lot of work. I've only worked on this like once or something. You love my hair? Yay! I actually kind of fixed it today. I blow dried it, so my hair is naturally curly, and a lot of times I just let it dry natural, like without doing anything to it. But today I blow dried it, like I diffused it with my fingers. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you. Alright, so before I do anything though, I gotta make my tea. I have my mug, finally, a different mug. Old TikTok merch, and I am gonna mix 2 teas together. I'm actually gonna mix this Yogi Honey Chai Turmeric Vitality sweet and spicy tea because it's fall, and who doesn't like a little spice in the fall? And I'm gonna mix that tea with my Arbonne Detox Tea because I don't know about you, but I ate a lot of junk during Thanksgiving, and I know that's not a good holiday to celebrate, whatever, but it's just hanging out with family and friends and having a grand old time eating a bunch of food, which honestly my family actually tries to make most of our food relatively healthy, which I love. Sorry, I gotta go off the shoulder. And a tutu, yeah! Is that a Mickey Mouse top? Yes. I hope you like it. And the tutu is also kind of a, I don't know, it's a real skirt that's inspired by a tutu, so it's not like a real tutu. Just so you know. Always like the different glasses. Well, thank you. Sometimes they get annoying with the ring lights, I'm not gonna lie, so there is that frustration, but we manage. Alright, so long time no see. I know, Sigma in the house. Oh my days. So, okay, back to what my tea concoction is. So we've got that with the Herbal Detox Tea from Arbonne. So I absolutely love these products. And this is actually the main ingredient is dandelion, which is so cool. It has a very light flavor, so if you don't like strong teas, like if you like a light flavor, this is the tea for you. Now tonight I wanted something spicy, but I also wanted the dandelion and the detox of this tea, so I'm actually mixing 2 teas together, and I obviously feel pretty good about that because yes, it's like, getting creative with my drink. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know what I think because I did this last night for the first time where I mixed the 2 teas together and I really liked it, but I did a different brand of Yogi tea. So yeah, this is the Yogi, this is the Arbonne. Let me know if you need information about any of that and I can help you because I love health. I love gut health. I love taking care of your body, taking care of your mind, heart, and soul, and creativity goes with that. So yes, we're gonna keep working on this.